Today, I will show you how to fix the Slack email verification problem in 2026. Many users get stuck because the verification email doesn't arrive, the link expires, or Slack keeps asking to verify again and again. First, let's understand why this happens. Slack email verification problems usually occur due to spam filtering, wrong email address, delayed mail servers, or expired verification links. Most of the time, it's easy to fix. Step 1, check your spam and promotions folder. Slack verification emails often land there. Search for emails from Slack and mark them as not spam. Step 2, confirm your email address. Go to Slack account settings and double check that your email is typed correctly. Even a small typo can block verification. Step 3, resend the verification email. Click resend verification email from Slack settings. Always use the latest email and ignore older links. Step 4, wait a few minutes. Sometimes email delivery is delayed due to server issues. Avoid clicking resend too many times quickly. Step 5, try a different network or browser. Opening the verification link on another browser or device can help. This fixes link loading issues. If the problem continues, contact your Workspace admin. Admins can manually verify or reset email settings. This is common in company workspaces. As a final step, contact Slack support. Submit a ticket with your email and Workspace name. They can verify your account manually. So yeah, Slack email verification problems usually come from spam filters, wrong email, expired links, or delays. Follow these steps and your account should verify successfully.